Okay friends, I have my 4 pounds of, it says russet potatoes. I think we just did, yeah, we did russet potatoes. 1 medium onion or a large onion. And then you put in 1 carton of chicken stock. And then from here, just add your salt and pepper. And then this cooks on low for 6 to 8 hours. Or you can do high for 4 hours. All right, so salt and pepper, you need 1.5 teaspoons of each. Yum. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on and we'll let it sit here for 6 to 8 hours. All right, guys, I got to the end of my cook time, and then you just add your bacon and your cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar, and I did my bacon and crumbled that and put that in here. Then you'll want to put your 1/4 cup of sour cream in here. You can also do this on the stove with your roux, but I went ahead and just added it to my soup. And then two teaspoons of garlic powder. So I'm going to do that now. In fact, I think the recipe called for doing it with your roux, you know, your thickening. But I think this will be fine. Oh yeah, this is looking good. I'm going to give this a taste just to make sure I put enough seasonings in. Just of the broth. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do just a little more garlic powder. Okay, we're just kind of gonna let this cook for just about maybe 20 more minutes, and I'll let you see it when it's all done. So I'm also going to add some mushrooms to mine. So I had a few mushrooms left over, so I'm going to go ahead and add those. You don't have to add mushrooms, I just love them, so I thought they'd be good in here. So let me stir this up a little. I went ahead and added my roux, and it's already thickening up nice. So yeah, this is going to be scrumptious. All right, guys. Oh yeah. When I plate up, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, here's my soup. I chose some toppings, cheddar cheese, bacon, crumbled bacon, sour cream, and a little bit of tomato. And yum, I've already tasted it. It is amazing. Highly recommend.